Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Palmetto State Armory Dagger slide. I just got this on sale over St. Patrick's Day weekend. It was a pretty good sale. We'll go over the price on it. So let's go over on a tabletop so you guys can see what it is. You know, comes in a pretty good package. You know, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. So let's go over on the tabletop and we'll see what comes in the on the slide, what I got, and then we can go over how much I got it for. All right, so let's do the unboxing. So this is what the package looks like. You know, it's made in the USA, Palmetto State Armory Dagger, and then it comes with the barcode on the back. So let's see what it comes with. Nice and folded. This actually the only second time I never took it out of the actual bag. I just wanted to make sure what it looked like. So let's see over here. Okay, so that looks to be okay. So this is the there's a cover plate for the RMR cut right here. Let's take a look at the finish. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's take a look at the sights right there. Okay, you know, it's it looks nice. It actually feels pretty nice. You know, Palmetto State Armory says this stainless steel for the slide. The finish, it says, is black DLC. It does have a RMR footprint for your optics, so it'll take the Trigicon RMR, it'll take the Holosons. And the other one that it should take is the Swamp Fox optics, the Liberty and Justice. I actually just got one installed in my Glock 22. I just picked it up, so we'll do an overview on the next video. It also comes with these Ameriglo lower 1/3 Cowitness sights. So if you guys can see right there, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with the optics. I don't know how you know tall it's going to be and if you're going to be able to use them. Just by judging at the height, I want to say that it would all depend on the kind of how high your optic that you install on it is. And then this slide is actually I guess you can say a complete slide. It comes with the firing pin. It already comes with everything installed. The only thing that you would need on something like this is the barrel and also the recoil spring assembly. It also comes with what PSA calls their new extreme carry cuts. So it comes with the front serrations for those of you that want to do press checks. The serrations on the back, you know, that's something that the regular Glocks, they do come with. But yeah, you know, just look at that. Not bad. You know, it feels pretty smooth, no really rough edges. Maybe right here on the front it's a little bit on the, you know, sharper side, but not too much. So, but overall, you know, it's got a pretty slick look. There you go. All right, so let's go back up top and see what would be some of the benefits on getting a slide like this. All right, so now that we went over, you know, the tabletop and got a closer look at it, so what would be some of the benefits of getting a slide like this if you already have a Glock 19 Gen 3? So let's go over compatibility. For those of you on their own free states where you guys don't have the restrictions like in California where we have the hang-on roster, you guys can get a complete PSA Dagger frame, and you can get it for, I think they're selling for about $100 when they're in stock. So if you can snatch one of those for $100, you get one of these, and you know, you buy yourself a if you want to, depending on how much you want to spend on it, but you get yourself a barrel and a recoil assembly spring, and you can probably get something like this, you know, for a pretty cheap price. Or if you already have a Gen 3 Glock 19, you can use this, you know, to have an optic mounted on it. Say that you don't want to do any modifications, you don't want to have your OEM slide milled out for an optic. You know, you buy yourself one of these, you just swap out the barrel and the recoil assembly spring, and you're ready to go. You know, you just mount the optic and you're good to go. you can start practicing that way. Because sometimes what would happen is if you have the Glock 19 and that's your only handgun that you have, you're gonna have to end up waiting between 2 to 3 weeks to send it out to the shop, or if your local FFL has those kind of services for gunsmithing and doing those kind of things for the optic cut, you're gonna have to end up waiting between 2 to 3 weeks in order to get your slide back. And then in that period of time, again, if that's your only handgun, then you're going to be at a disadvantage and not be able to use it for self-defense, whatever you use your handgun for. So that's one of the benefits of buying something like this. It's already ready to go. You can mount your optic. But yeah, I currently don't have a Glock 19, but I'm planning on getting one. And part of the reason why I got it, even though I don't have a Glock 19 right now, is because it was such a pretty good deal. These were for I think they were selling for $117. $120. This specifically is out of stock right now, but as of this video, I just checked today and they had the FDE version, so it's the exact same thing. It comes with the same kind of Ameriglo sights, all the internals with the exception of the barrel and the recoil spring. But in FDE, it's selling right now. Again, as of this video, I saw it was in stock for $129.99. That's still a pretty good deal. I got this one for, now that I remember, it's $119.99 with the shipping and handling. I ended up paying $138. So not a bad deal for a complete slide that it's optics ready to go. You guys already saw that it comes with the mounting plate, the cover plate, I'm sorry, if you guys don't have the optic yet and you guys want to cover it. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to get a quick look at it, see what you guys will get. Those of you that have a Glock 19, those of you that are in the free states and are even able to do polymer 80s as well. I believe these should fit from what I've seen other people posting. They do use these kind of things for the polymer 80s to be able to finish their build. So if there's something that you guys are interested in, you guys are in a budget, this is a great way to go. The Dagger has been showing a lot of reliability and it's functional. It's a pretty cheap price, so you couldn't go wrong with something like this. But yeah, there you guys have it. Again, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. If you guys have a question, drop a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.